Hi guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here today to talk to you about the Grifco E960G. The E960G has 4 buttons, which will allow it to program into 4 different garage door or gate openers. The E960G is compatible with the Merlin E960M, which is a green button version of this remote control. They're exactly the same, it's just the outer shell that looks different. This remote control is also fully compatible with Security Plus as well as the Security Plus 2.0. This remote control is also fully compatible with the Security Plus as well as the Security Plus 2.0 remote controls. So for example, if your remote control starts with C for Charlie or E for Echo, this remote control will suit. The E960G comes with a 12-month warranty, which covers it from failure due to manufacturer fault. To see a full list of compatible garage door and gate openers, head on over to our website. We list all compatible models in the listing description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this Grifco remote control, head on over to our website. You can send us an email or give us a call. See you next video.